Well, this is another one of our beautiful Corvettes. This is a 2012 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 2 LT Coupe. It's going to make somebody a very nice car and a great investment. This car is blade silver on the exterior. It has an ebony interior and a beautiful glass top. Under the hood, you'll find a 430 horsepower LS3 engine with 6-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Factory features on this car include a $2,095 2LT preferred equipment group. This includes heads-up display, Bose CD-XM MP3 stereo with navigation, has steering wheel controls, and center console-mounted USB and auxiliary inputs, along with a Bluetooth package. This Grand Sport package includes Z06 sized wheels, tires, brakes, the wider fender and quarter panels, and the Z06 style rear spoiler and front splitter, as well as the Z06 style front bumper. It has performance axle ratio, and it also has those black headlights, chrome wheels, HID headlights, dual power seats, side airbags, OnStar, dual zone electronic climate control, keyless entry and start, fog lamps. It also has that electric rear hatch pull down. Everything on this car is power. It includes cruise control as well, ABS, traction control, and active handling. It comes with a clean Carfax and, of course, great options. This 2012 Corvette Grand Sport shows just 33,929 miles. It's in very nice condition. The interior of this car shows very good factory leather seats and steering wheel. Center console and door panels are all very good. And the only addition to this 2012 Grand Sport appears to be the window tint with a tinted windshield banner as well. Remember, all of our Corvettes are hand-picked here at Buyavette.net, and we hope you'll give us a call. You can speak to one of our sales representatives at 770-414-5552. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification button. You'll see every new Corvette that comes to our showroom floor. We're Buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia, and we really hope you'll give us a call. Give us a call real soon. We hope to hear from you.